Saffola, a brand that's carved a niche and became India's prominent player in the cooking oil segment way back in early 2000s. As we continued our journey, we thought, what's the next better for you product for our consumers? It is then that we stumbled upon a magic ingredient, oats. Indian women were struggling to make healthy food choices in daily lifestyle and, more importantly, watch their weight. Oats turned out to be a magical solve for this struggle. After all, oats is a power-packed ingredient which was high in protein, iron and fiber and could keep one fuller for longer. This started the journey of Saffola Oats in India. But back in 2011, the oats market was dominated by multiple international players. And as Saffola entered this category, we wondered how we would make a difference and inspire Indians to love oats. India is a land of awesome food. We love our masalas and we love variety in food. We like our food warm and tasty too. That was our aha moment which led to the birth of Saffola Masala Oats. Over the years, India's love for savoury food kept inspiring us. And we kept on adding our own twist so that India had something new, masaledar and yummy to try in their breakfast and snack time. It's been a decade of innovating yummy oats variants and garnering consumer love. No wonder, today 1 out of every 11 homes in India consumes Saffola Oats. And every second oats pack is a Saffola one. And that's what has made us India's #1 oats brand. A brand which left international giants behind. A name made in India, for India, by an Indian brand, Saffola. So a heartfelt thanks to our fans for believing in us for a healthier breakfast or snack. And we assure you, we have just begun.